Living in this fast-paced age of advanced information and technology, the internet has become ubiquitous in our daily lives. The amount of bandwidth made available to us is often surplus of our requirements. Much like solar energy, these precious resources can actually be harnessed to generate passive income. Welcome to the age of internet monetization, where you can safely and securely rent out your unused internet resources to trusted third-party partners for legit use cases such as SEO and business intelligence, brand protection, ad verification, app testing, and price comparison, among many others. Here are 6 free apps that allow you to earn a steady stream of passive income by monetizing your internet connection. Number 1. Honeygain. Honeygain is the world's first crowdsourced web intelligence network that lets you generate passive income from sharing your idle or unused internet bandwidth. For every 10 megabytes of internet traffic that goes through your network, you are paid 1 Honeygain credit. Hence, 10 gigabytes of data earns you 1,000 Honeygain credits worth $1. You can earn up to $184 per month in the most ideal of conditions. Honeygain is supported on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Linux. You can choose to cash out in the form of PayPal or cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and JMPT token gives a 10% additional bonus in earnings. Honeygain has a very tight privacy policy based on the latest international privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Getting started is easy. Simply click the link in the description below for a free $5 sign-up bonus. Download and install Honeygain on your device to let it start earning passive income for you, effortlessly. Number 2. TierProfit. TierProfit is another profitable internet sharing application that monetizes your unused internet bandwidth. Earnings average around $8 monthly in ideal conditions. Supported platforms include Windows, macOS, Android, Linux, and Raspberry Pi. Payout can be requested in the form of e-wallets, bank cards, and cryptocurrencies. Number 3. IPRoyal Pawns. IPRoyal Pawns pays you 10 cents for every 1 gigabyte of data shared, potentially earning up to $96 every month in the most ideal of conditions. It is supported on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. Payout can be requested in the form of PayPal, virtual gift cards, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Number 4. EarnApp. EarnApp lets you earn up to $135 monthly by simply sharing your internet connection. It is supported on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Linux Docker, and Raspberry Pi. Rewards can be cashed out in the form of PayPal or Amazon gift cards. Number 5. TraffMonetizer. TraffMonetizer is a relatively new addition to this list of crowdsourcing applications, rewarding users in the form of PayPal, Bitcoin, Payoneer, Skrill, Payer, or even wire transfer for sharing their internet bandwidth. Number 6. PacketStream. PacketStream is a residential proxy network powered by peer-to-peer bandwidth sharing. You can choose to either become a packeter by sharing your bandwidth, or buy bandwidth for proxy access on the site. Rewards are paid out in the form of PayPal. As all of the above applications are low-resource programs, I can run all of them concurrently on my desktop, maximizing full use of my available resources without having to compromise on my computing internet speed. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to avail free bonuses if you decide to sign up for these platforms. Happy earning!